Hello? Am I talking to NEPA? Yes. My name is MC Jollof. Please, it's raining, but we have light here. Yes, we have light. I'm very worried.
You be mumu.
You're asking me why I'm worried? It's because since I was born and now that I'm getting old, I've never seen where there is rain and there is light in Nigeria.
Jesus!
The two doesn't work together. They don't agree at all.
Come on.
So I was thinking that maybe something has gone wrong.
Oh, mumu not too much.
Or the person in your office is sleeping. So he's not seeing the rain.
Child.
Yes, please. Tell them to let them take the light, please.
Think say they wise.
Yes, we don't want problem, please. They should just take the light.
No problem.
Yes.
God will see us. There is
Okay.
no